You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned for more videos for you coming up. At the end of this video, this is a name and a word in Spanish: Marina, Spanish pronunciation Italian, Marina. In English, however, it is pronounced as Marina, Marina, Marina. How to pronounce Marina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.